welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lachelle Trends, and sis, in today's video I'm coming to you with a Walmart haul. Y'all already know how I feel about Walmart. Walmart is my favorite store to shop at, and I am super excited to show you guys my finds this go around. Not that I'm not always excited, because y'all know this is my favorite store. However, this go around, y'all, these outfits is serving, sis. They're basically all streetwear, so if you're not into streetwear, this is probably not the haul for you, because your girl is in sneakers and hats, and more sneakers and hats. Like, that is my go-to. And it just, it's funny how it just happened that way, because I was not planning to wear the things that I wore. It just came together. Anyway, so I'll have everything linked in the description box below per usual, and you are as well gonna go shopping with me, take a look around my store, blah blah blah. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, sis, so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's jump into it. So you already know the drill. You're gonna come shopping with me, take a look around my store, see what it has to offer, then we'll jump into styling the outfits. So for this first outfit, we're gonna start off with the shirt first. So this is the shirt. It is the Mandarin, and it says that's not a toy, and as you can see it has the little Yoda or whatever. I want to say this is basically just a Star Wars shirt. No, I'm not into Star Wars. I'm not into Star Wars, y'all. I cannot say it. I'm not into Star Wars. Jeez. Okay. But the top was just a top, y'all. Like, this was the only top that I could find to go with the theme of what I was trying to go for, and that matched my little sweater. Anyway, so I got this top in a size large. They had so many. This was actually on sale. The price tag says $6, but when she rung it up it was $2. So it says who is winning. So yeah, it's cute for what it is, especially if you're into Star Wars. And don't talk about how I'm saying it, because I just can't help it. But yeah, I mean, the color scheme was there, and that's why I got it. Again, y'all know I upsize in everything that I buy. So yeah, a large is not my regular size, but y'all know I love the oversized fit, and it fit me very nicely. So then I paired it with this cardigan. That was the whole little, we were basically getting that top just for this cardigan because I needed something to match. So yeah, this is the cardigan. It's from the junior section, and it was $18.98. It's in a size large, and it's from the brand No Boundaries. Again, I like to upsize, especially in the juniors department, because I am a little on the growner side. Like my body type is a little bit grown. Not really, because I'm really petite and I still look like a child. Anyway girl, that's besides the point. I get a size large because everything in the juniors department runs small, and I really should be shopping in the women's, so we're not gonna talk about it. So I got a size large. I definitely could have got an extra large. Yeah, I could have got an extra large. That would be my upsize. I feel like a size large is my normal size in juniors, because again it runs small, and then a size extra large would be my upsize. But I just got a large, and I like the way that it fits, because I didn't want it to be too big. I kind of wanted it to just kind of just fit normal or whatever. And it's like a little fuzzy sweater, and I feel like this is definitely on trend. I see a lot of these fuzzy sweaters at like Urban Outfitters and Forever 21, and they're like maybe Forever 21 is maybe like $20 to $30. Urban Outfitters is like $50 to $100, and they crazy because they lost their mind. So yeah, we gonna stick to Walmart. And they also had this in another color, which was pink and brown, and that's the one I really wanted, but I could not find anything to match it. But yeah, the cardigan is very cute, and it's just really warm and fuzzy. So I paired it with these jeans. These jeans are from the women's department, from the brand Free Assembly, and they were $34. They say, I got them in a size 8, and they say the super high rise straight jean. And sis, the jeans are super cute. Me personally, I think that they could have been a little longer because my legs are on the longer side, so they were a tad bit short. But besides that, the jeans are very stretchy. They're not form-fitting, but they're form-fitting. Like, it's a good little fit or whatever, because I don't like my jeans to fit me tight, and these don't. They're a little stretchy, so they're a little form-fitting, but not all of that form-fitting, if that even makes sense. But yeah, I love the wash. Like, y'all, the wash is pretty, and they had these in a lot of different washes, but this was like the one that I gravitated towards just because it's on the darker side. It's more fall wintry. I just like to gravitate towards darker colors. And again, y'all, the wash is pretty. It has the distressed knee. Just everything about this jean is just nice, and it's super quality. Like, very good thick material. Overall, a cute jean. It paired nicely with my outfit. I wore some jean Jordans, as well as like a little blue hat just to tie everything all in. And then my bag is from Shein, and girl, I just think this is a super dope look. So this next look, this my favorite. This is definitely my favorite look. Sis, I'm obsessed. Anyways, so I got this top out of the men's section, and girl, as soon as I saw this top, I already knew what was up. Like, it was just perfect. Y'all see the color. Orange and green is just definitely a thing for me. Like, currently, like, I've just been into orange and green. But yeah, so I got this in a size large, and it was $30. Now, it is a little on the pricier side. $30 is like, dang, $30 for a plaid top. But sis, when I say this is a quality, like, Free Assembly has quality items. This is definitely a very good thick plaid top. Again, y'all, or not even again, I don't even think I told y'all the size, but I got it in a size large. Y'all already know I like to upsize. Medium is my normal size, large is my little upsize or whatever, and it fits me to the T. Like, I just love the fit. I love the quality of it, and yeah, just super cute. Y'all see the pockets at the top, and then it has like the little elbow. Is this an elbow? I don't know. Y'all know it, sometimes the little elbow is right here, and this is technically at the elbow, but it's not like that elbow patch, but it's just like we're just gonna call this a patch. So it's a patch on the arm, and it just gives it just like a little sprinkle or something, girl. But it's cute. It's blue, and yeah, I just like it overall. Super cute. Then underneath we put this graphic tee. Y'all, they have so many graphic tees. So if you don't even like this graphic tee, y'all, they have so many graphic tees to match this top. You could literally just play off of any type of tee with orange in it. So yeah, that's what I did. This one is a Kiss graphic tee. I got it in a size large. Again, this is from the men's section, and again, large is my upsize. So yeah, it fits me very nicely, like you know, like I like for them to fit. This tee was $8.98, I believe. Y'all know how much they tees are. They kind of went up. They were $7, and now they're $8.98, which is still a good deal. So yeah, just super cute, and it kind of matches with all of the colors in the top. Even though this green is like a teal green, you can't really tell. Like, it still goes. Again, just really nice. Then I paired it with the same jeans. If you want to see them again, I'll pull them out. So it's the same jeans that I had on previously from the women's section, and $34 in Free Assembly if you didn't catch that. But yeah, same jeans and everything, y'all. Everything paired so nicely together. I threw on a hat that I had forever from Urban Outfitters, and then the shoes. Girl, I just got those shoes. Aren't they cute? Anyways, those are some Nike Dunks, and then I just have on like my little bag from Zara, and everything is cute, girl. So this next look, sis, this next look is definitely in the top of my picks or whatever, because girl, I don't know if I'm just into plaid lately or just the orange. I really think I'm just into orange lately, as to why I just really like this fit and the last fit. Anyway, child, so I got this top from the women's section. It's from the brand Time and True. How much was she? She was $14.98. Good price, good price. And I got it in a size double XL. And no, that is not typically the size that I would have gravitated towards. But sis, when I say everybody must have loved this top, because it was none. It was like only 3XL and 2XL. I probably would have got it in a large, but I'm kind of glad that only 2XL was available for me because the fit, like I love a good off the shoulder type of just, you know, just sloppy, but it's still cute at the same time. That's kind of what I was going for. I really wasn't going for off the shoulder. It kind of just fell off my shoulder and I was like, ooh, it's a look. Anyway, so yeah, it's just really nice. It has like a baby slit. I do love slits, but it's like a little baby slit on the side, and it just fits me super big. Like you can, if you wanted to tie this up, you can. I tucked mines in my jeans just to give it like a little look, just like I'm not trying, but I'm trying, you know what I'm saying? Like just effortless or whatever. So yeah, I'm not gonna get into the pants because y'all, it's literally the same pants that I didn't had on for the past 2 outfits. So we gonna get into this hat. Y'all, when I saw this hat, I think I saw the hat first and then I immediately remembered the top. All in all, girl, it was such a good find. It matched perfectly, doesn't it? So this hat says Love in Sports. If y'all don't know, that's like a little new brand inside of Walmart that has athletic gear. And y'all, their athletic gear is super cute. Like I'm not athletic at all and I'm not going to anybody's gym, but I definitely love wearing their clothes. Like, sis, super cute. It has the fur in the inside, sis, so it's definitely gonna keep your ears warm. But yeah, it's just super cute. It literally matched, y'all. It matched so perfectly with the outfit. Like, sis, this says one size and it was only $10, and I got this out of the section with the accessories. They had other colors as well as a bag, like a fanny pack bag, a scarf, like sis, you name it, they had it. But I only got the hat. Again, I paired the outfit with the same jeans, and then I paired it as well with some Jordans and a little Zara bag, and it would be cute. So we're kind of getting into like dressy but not really dressy because yeah. Anyway, girl, so I got this from the women's section. It's from the brand Free Assembly, and I got it in a size medium, and it was $11, and it was on sale, sis. So the original price was $45, girl, $45. Okay, the original price was $45 and they had it on sale at $11. Sis, who is winning? Because I went to another Walmart and it was still regular price at $45. Like I take that back, it was on sale for $27. And I'm like, but girl, I just bought this jacket for $11. Like, I hate when they do that. I feel like everybody needs to be on cue. Like if everybody needs to mark it down at the same time to the same price. Like, no. Anyway, so yeah, it's just super cute. I say everything is super cute, but it is. It's really cute, y'all. I love the contrast of the color. Like, I love the pattern with the green. Like, it's super cute. But anyway, y'all, I just love the stripes. I just think it adds just something to the look. Like, it's nice. It's nice. It's a very lightweight jacket, so this is not for like the winter or anything unless you want to layer it. I only have a little top underneath, like a little spaghetti strap top that I got from Walmart years ago, but y'all already know the drill. You can get those tops at any time at Walmart. They're like sitting folded down. They're like $2.98. And I literally always just get all of the colors because you never know when you need a top to go underneath it. So that's what's underneath the top, because we're not even gonna go through the underneath the top underneath. But yeah. But just the colors and everything was nice. I honestly didn't even know how I was gonna style this jacket. So I paired it with these camo pants. Y'all know how I feel about camo and cargo at that, like, sis. So this is from the brand Wrangler. I got them in a size 30-32 and they were $22.98. They as well came from the men's section. Y'all already know how I feel about the men's section. And sis, these pants are so cute. I have never gotten any Wrangler camo pants before, and or Wrangler pants period from Walmart. I always stick to kind of like no boundaries, like I literally have every color. But these ones, I gravitated towards these because of the distressed look. Like it's not like a vibrant color, it's like distressed, a worn look, and I just love that. So you have like the little pockets on this side right here. It has two little teeny pockets and then one big pocket right here, and then it just is like a Velcro or whatever, as well as two pockets on the back, and as well with I cannot talk, as well with Velcro. So yeah, just super cute pants. They're long enough. I like the length, the fit. Now they fit me. I think the fit could have been a little bit better. Now it does say that these are regular taper, so they're not like a baggy jean. I think I kind of like baggy jean better. However, I'm not mad at the fit. I think they fit me a little big at the waist, so I probably could have did a 29 instead of a 30, but for the most part they're cute. They fit me. They're not too tight, but they are a little bit of a fitted jean, and just overall super cute. I paired this look again with another hat, a little New York hat, and if you can't tell, it is blue. Kind of looks black, but it is blue, and I just think it paired nicely because of the top has that blue in it. Then I paired it with some blue Jordans, and y'all, it was just a super cute look. So this last look, y'all, I like this little top. Y'all already know I like this top because I have it in white as well. So yeah, this is the top. This is from the accessories department. So I know it looks like it's women's, but they actually have these in accessories because this is a top but not really a top. So yeah, check your accessories department. So this is from the brand Time and True, and it is one size and it's only $18.97. But again, y'all, I think this is like one of those tops where you just put a actual top over it, because although it has this safety pin right here, the safety pin doesn't come with it. It's just plain and simple. The flaps is just out. So I think this is just like an underneath top. Again, I have the white one, and somebody told me on the last video what this actually was, but I cannot recall. So yeah, from the accessories department, it's super thick, nice material. I love this green color as well. Came in white, I think black, and I definitely know gray, but it comes in other colors. And again, y'all, it's just super comfortable, very stretchy, just a nice top, and it paired so well with these green pants. We're not going to go through the deets because I literally just went through them, but y'all see it paired so nicely together. So I topped it off with some black and brown boots. I was gonna say booties, but they're not really booties, but some black and brown boots, as well as like a dark brown furry bag that I got from Zara. The shoes is from H&M, and everything just, I was trying to be girly a little bit, but still like just, you know, not trying to do too much, but overall super cute. So that concludes this haul, sis. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.